Hello, my name is Artur Malinowski. I'm working for Malcan, and today I would like to show you how you can easily play with lookup values, how to extract data with some different structures, hierarchies in SharePoint, and especially lookups. And so for that purpose, I've created special structure here for you. So let me just show you. Okay, now as you know, by default you can have a list. I have a list called lookup, and it have a field, the parent field points to lookup to another list, lookup parent. So I can easily take one of the values from my parent, so P as parent, so P1, P2, P3, and just to show you the lookup parent, it just has these values P1, P2, P3, and P null. So whenever I am here, I can easily change the value to one of these fields, and this is standard SharePoint functionality. The goal for our playing is that that in the lookup parent I have another column which is number num called num, and here for P1 I have 1, for P2 2, for P3 3. So what I want to do is to have the num parent field here whenever I change the parent. So if I change P2, I would like to have here 2, because 2 in the lookup parent 2 corresponds to P2. Okay, so let me go to my actions. I have 3 different actions. All of them are off by now. So let me just start running this. So whenever I change this, let's focus only on the first row. Whenever I change the row, I would like to num parent my field, which is num parent. I would like it to have the value of the parent, and the parent should go to the lookup list row, so to another list, and from that row I want value num. So from my parent list I want to extract this num and assign it to my num parent. So it's quite long, quite maybe complex syntax, but again, from parent I'm just extracting lookup list row, so the row, and again from that row I want the column num. Okay, let me see if that works. Here again, here we see that once it is P1 it is 1, for P2 is 2, for P3 is 3. Okay, so let me make it even more complex. I have another list which is lookup grandparent, and the hierarchy which is built, let me just draw it for you. So here I have a list called lookup, and here it points to another list which is a lookup parent, and one more tree structure. There is another list which is called lookup grandparent. So with these three lookup parent and lookup grandparent, I have this structure representation through the parent column. Let me just show you. Here you saw already the parent, and in the lookup parent I have another parent which points to G, like grandparent. Let's go to grandparent. And from grandparent I have the values G11, 22, 33 with the number 11, 22, 33. So to make it even more complex here, the current goal is I want not only the number extracted from parent, but also the number extracted from grandparent. Let me just make this off and just start this. So whenever I change P1 to corresponds to parent number 1, but parent number 1 corresponds to grandparent 11, and grandparent 11 corresponds to 11. That is why here I see 1 and 11. And if I change to some other values, P2 to 22, P3 33. Let me see how it was built here, which is far more complex than only one level up structure. So here we build some, we can define some variables like P, which are by default are empty when defined, the variables. So my lookup will be value parent. Then if we have a value parent as lookup, we want to get the parent row, which is P lookup list row. And from the grandparent row, I want to take from the parent row value parent lookup list row. So I will get the grandparent. And then just assigning the values. So we take from parent row we take num, and from grandparent row we take the num, and assign it to num parent and num grandparent. So it's kind of script here, very similar to program, but just to show you how it is powerful and how you can easily change the values using lookups. Okay, so in this demo I showed how you can easily build quite complex structures and how to take and extract some values from playing with lookups. As you know, SharePoint by default can take only just the title, for example, on the parent of the parent list, and here you can really go through lookups whenever it points. Thank you for your time.